Alexia, and today
we're in the bathroom.
Okay, I didn't know you were coming here, but like this is an original idea. I think we made it up at Melissa's house.
I lied to her though. I said, so we're doing random ingredients in the bathroom, and I made it up. And yeah, I told her it's online, but I lied to her. So sorry.
Okay, so I know it's kind of sticky, just in case we add in like something
Nail.
hard. So let's get ready to go. Let's go. Okay, so the first ingredient is like some hair gel. So we're just gonna add in
I'll do the next one.
a little bit, cause like no. Okay, anyways, we added in like two. Wait, you can't mix it up without them. Like, so we added in like two little more squirts than we were supposed to. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but let's mix.
This might actually make it harder.
I have it feels like normal. Well,
It's good. Oh my goodness, I think it's actually really good.
okay. Copyright. It's warm. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some borax. Okay, guys. So I just got some.
Wait, we've been recording for 28 minutes?
No, for 2 minutes.
Why does it say 28?
Because that's how much time you have to film. So
Why?
okay, so we got you can't touch it though while I'm doing the activator. I might actually like activate it a little too much. But, my purpose because
My purpose?
wait, that's weird. So I think the hair gel made it like activate easier.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, we could have used that, but it's okay.
But it's okay.
And the next item, you could go pick it while I'll just tell you if we can't use it or not. Okay. But I'll be back once we find the item. Oh. Oh. Just like, I don't think we're allowed doing that because it'll get all over the place. Please don't do it. And it'll stink and I'll get in trouble. So. It smells like acid. So. Sorry. Okay, so we've done that, and then you could pick a different item. Oh, there's also items under here. Melissa, under here there's items. Wow, look at that, guys.
Ew.
Okay, guys, so we figured out our second item, and you gotta write it down in the comment section down below at the end to say. Like, okay, that's enough. Okay, now you can mix it up.
Sorry.
Okay, anyways, you can mix it up.
Mix it up. Mix.
Here, I'll film.
It gives me sunscreen.
Is that good?
It smells like sunscreen.
Oh,
so
yeah.
much.
It does.
This is a good way to mix it up.
Wait,
I think
wait,
it's
can
a
I
bit
please-
sticky. Isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's getting more sticky.
Borax.
Just, no, I don't actually pour it in because I actually have some in here, so. That's helpful. Okay, anyways. smells like sunscreen and slime.
It kind of feels good.
Yeah, it does. Okay, anyways, so it's a little bit sticky, but you can wash your hands at the end of the video. So I'm gonna go with you guys and see what I could find. You know what? Never mind. Okay, guys, so I got some toothpaste. You may put it in the cup. In the cup.
So gross.
So wait, no, I'll just film it, okay? Okay, that's good.
That's so gross.
It is. And it's gonna smell like, toothpaste and sunscreen. Sunscreen. That's nice. Wait, no, what? That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. Oh, it's making it, like, really, really liquidy. We might need the borax. Like, a lot of borax. Oh my gosh. Please, borax, please? Wait. Listen, guys.
Now it smells like toothpaste.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this like a lot. Okay, we might need more, but
That's a start.
that's a start.
That just spit on me.
Can you please pause the video until we'll be back with technical difficulties here. Please stand by. So we're kind of overactivating it just a little bit. So
I
then
think we have some lotion to overactivate it. Or, no,
deactivate it.
whatever.
You always add in so
I
much
know.
stuff. Like, look at that.
Sorry.
At least we don't really use that lotion.
Thank the Lord. With all your heart. Or not heart. No. I can't.
Anyways, this is turning out to be really, really weird. I want to find something that will change its color.
Well, then I have the perfect idea.
What? Not counting the spray. Hairspray. Whatever the...
Do this.
So guys, I'm just going to add in a little bit of this mouthwash that I use.
Hairspray.
Like, here you can watch me. It's going to be very, very little. See that? That was very little. Okay, it feels really nice.
Feels really nice.
Wait, you have to show them. Like, you can't just
Whoa, it feels so much better.
It's still not.
It won't.
Yeah, it feels a lot better.
Do you think it looks sticky? It's really not.
It's not sticky at all.
No.
Well, not for me, it's not at all. Wait, listen to this, guys. Listen. Okay, next ingredient. Guys, I just thought I would put this cute bear in. I think I got it from a dentist because, like, you know, you gotta go to a dentist once in a while. Ugh. How come I can't open this? I think it's to put on your pencil, like there's a whole, but it's a cute little bear, like, see that? Cute little bear. No? Okay. See? And I just
Earthquake!
Okay, that made a lot of sound for them. You might not think. Oh, goodbye.
Like a lot.
That's beautiful. Like, wait, you gotta show them the bear. Like, oh my gosh, wow. Look how much he's having fun. Like, oh my gosh, like he's having so much fun. He's like, ah! You know? We're almost done this video because it's already 10 minutes.
Even though we have 18 more minutes.
So the next ingredient is gonna be So anyways, we are going to be adding in some lotion. Well, because I already filmed it, so
I already filmed it.
yes.
Oh, if you guys are wondering why my eye's red, I got burnt by
Okay, you can add it in.
Ernest Schwartz.
One.
Uno.
Because this is my dad's, and I've used this like a lot of times for slime. Because it's really good for slime. Like it makes it really soft and stretchy.
Really nuggety.
ASMR.
There's a scale here. How many pounds do you think I weigh?
80.
Meaning.
Okay, anyways.
I weigh 68 pounds.
I probably wear like 45.
No.
Or no, 52 I meant.
No.
Yeah, let's see. I'm going to prove it. Okay, guys, so right now it's on 0, as you can tell. Like, 0. And watch this. I'm going to go on it. What? Yay! I grew! So
I was right once again.
It's like, I'm like 68 pounds. Oh my gosh.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
You're like 58.
Oh yeah, I meant 50.
I'm like, no, you're not. You're not as heavy as me.
I'm 50 and I cannot tell ya. Okay, so number, is it like 4 or 5? I think it's like 5. Number 5.
Number 5.
And after that, we're gonna
You're
do some
not.
ASMRs. But, so the last one I'm going to pick. So, yeah. Wait, it appeared. Oh my god. It's my cat shampoo. So, let's just add in a little bit this.
It smells good.
I know, it smells like berries. Okay. Now we could mix it up. Wait. Do you have to wait for them? It's becoming a little bit bubbly. That smells good. That just made it, that finale though, like, oh my gosh.
So first it smelled like sunscreen, then it smelled like toothpaste, and now it smells like berries.
That's hot.
That's hot chicken nugget.
Okay, so anyways guys, comment down below what you want me to call you guys, because none of you guys have commented down. I've started YouTube like 2 months ago and I already told you that. Make sure you guys go check out all my other slime videos and my other
comment down below.
and
comment down below
what
do you want us to do
next, and comment down below 1 to 10 how you rate this. But wait, don't leave. We're gonna do ASMR. First up is Alyssa's turn.
So today I'm gonna be a cruncher.
Oh my gosh, guys, did that just appear? You gotta hit that down below. It'll turn the color of sunscreen. Okay. That's all you have? Okay, well, it's my
I'm not done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, amazing. Wait, ready to go on? We'll do slime swirl. Get ready for this. Ready? Guys, never poke a slime swirl. That is my pet peeve.
Okay, so now it's my turn. Could you please hold the screen? Okay, so. Okay. You don't have to bring it up because, like, you know.
Who I am.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay.
You bugged me. Dude, the thing's falling off.
Like, okay, now we gotta do this. Yeah.
You bug me. That's my also another puppy. Fly sticking out.
Okay, could you please bring it up a little bit? I mean, down a little bit.
Chicken nugget.
No! It's making a lot of noise for them. They're definitely gonna comment down below. Oh, Alyssa, you're so loud. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure you guys go
Hit that like button and
and
ding
hit
the
that
bell.
Ding the little bell.
Ding the little bell.
And I hope
Ding
you guys,
ding ding.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see y'all next time. Go.
Bye.
That was pretty awkward.